Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a quick unboxing, showing, not demonstration yet, of two products I got. Christie Brinkley's Authentic Skincare. I've been wanting to try this for a while. One is the day treatment and the other one is the Beauty to Go travel kit. So I got both because I needed to get the two different products, a daytime and a nighttime. So I'm going to start with this one real quick. It's a set of 3 deep cleaning, exfoliating, and age-defying day treatment. And they're upside down. I'm going to be using these starting Monday. This is the Complete Clarity Facial Cleansing Wash and enhances balance and moisture. So that's that one. This is the little daily facial exfoliating polish. So I'm excited to try this one because she said she uses it every morning. Day cream, anti-aging day cream to be exact. Oh, I'm gonna open this one. Smells good too. Anyway, I'm gonna try this on Monday morning. This set, Beauty Kit Travel to Go, is the same thing. This one comes with the night cream. Recapture 360 night. So I'm going to use the day cream, night cream. Here's the day cream and the night cream. This box comes with these 3 guys. 1, 2, 3. And this box comes with these 3 guys. So I'm going to be trying these, basically these 4. I'm going to be trying these this week, starting Monday, and I will also let you know how they go, how I like it. I'm going to try it for a couple days, and I will add all these in the description box below, as well as link my Poshmark closet in there too. Oh, and just real quick, I'm going to show you guys the necklace from my FabFitFun box. It's the star necklace. So I'm going to try it out. That's kind of what it looks like. But I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and remember to like this video and subscribe and tap the bell so you can get more notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, I'm going to be doing a little facial cleansing tutorial with Christie Brinkley's Authentic Skincare face wash and exfoliating polish, and then putting on the Recapture SPF 30 day cream. That's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, and then tonight I'm going to put on the Recapture 360 night cream. And then later, I will be telling you how I like it. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use the Christie Brinkley Beauty to Go kit that I just unboxed. First I'm using the Daily Facial Towelettes from Kirkland. Costco special. You can get a big box for a really good price. So using that, and actually first all I do is just wash my face, just wipe it, not wash it, wipe it down with the cleansing cloth by itself, and then I like to add a little bit of micellar water, simple micellar water, because it has vitamins in it and it helps combat the hard water in our regular water, tap water. So I rinse that, rinse it off, and I actually rinse my face really quick with water. So now first I'm going to do the facial cleansing wash in this tan bottle. I tried this earlier already. Oh, it comes right out of the bottle. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty clear. It smells really good actually. So just take my circular motion around my skin, cheeks, chin, T-zone, around my lips, and under my neck. And my nose. Oh look, got a little dirt on there. Rinse it off. And then I just leave it a little wet. Rinse it like that. Use a little more water. And then I'm going to use the exfoliating polish. Christie says to use that she uses this daily, but I think I'm only going to use it 2 or 3 times a week because it has little micro beads in it. It has little micro beads in it, and you can really feel them. So I'm going to do the same thing. Cheeks, chin, T-zone, nose, forehead, underneath, on my neck, combat those fine lines, eyebrows, and you can really kind of feel it working. So rinse it off, and for these I noticed you actually have to really take your whole cloth and wipe it off with your cloth before you rinse it. It really tends to stay on your face, the little beads. But they're so fine that you really don't, you feel them, but you don't feel them a lot. So I'm gonna rinse again. Rinse like 3 times because I feel like I really need to rinse those beads off. So I'm just gonna use it probably 2 to 3 times a week, not every day. But yeah, and I'm gonna dry my face. So we're done. Dry my face really quick. I'm using a black face cloth. I heard somebody say they use black and they actually like it better. So then you don't see all the dirt and makeup. Last, I'm going to use right now the Recapture Day and IR Defense SPF 30 sunscreen day cream. It looks like this. And that's all that came in the jar, so it actually smells really good though. Also, I'm gonna dab it. It feels pretty thick, so I feel like I'm using a lot right now. And then some under my neck. So I feel like this jar is not going to last very long. I can still feel the micro beads. Sweep up, sweep up. A girl in high school once told me that whenever you're washing your face or doing your makeup, that you should always sweep up. So I always sweep up. She was a beautiful girl too. Always sweep up when you're to fight gravity. When you're putting on your, even though it's hard. Okay. And then I usually take my face cloth again and just kind of dab it in there. Just so I feel dewy, but not too sticky. So it feels pretty good. It feels slightly tingly, I think, because I use the exfoliator polish. And I'm also going to go in and just put some Khiel's Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment under my eyes. Looks like that. I love this guy. I talked about this one in one of my last videos, and that's kind of a lot. I usually don't use this much, but I put it on my ring finger and dab it under there. And I'm going to take my extra and I'm actually going to put it up here on top of my eyes. Yeah, that's actually a little more than you want. But it's hot out today, so I feel dry. So then I just sweep it up gently using your ring finger because that one has less pressure. There we go. And just give that another little dab. Especially if you want to put makeup on after. That way it's not too dewy, too wet to put on your makeup. I usually wait a few minutes before I put on any makeup. It depends, personal preference. And then, oh, last but not least, my Olay Mist Hydration Essence Calming. They have different scents for this one, and I really love the calming. They also have one that's energizing, which I have. And that's the first one I bought, and it actually makes me feel energized. But now I want a calming one. Oh, and last but not least, it's a little Khiel's eye treatment. This little guy is $30 by itself. But you can get a Hello Hydration kit for $49, and it comes with all four. The toner, cleanser, facial cream, and eye treatment. And this is a great like travel pack I bought too because I'm traveling this summer. Oh, and so tonight I'm going to be using the 360 Night Recapture 360 Night Cream from Christie's collection, and this one smells okay too. This is what it looks like. So that's all, folks. But I will be doing an update. I'm going to be using this for the next 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. And then I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. I'll put all the names of what I used in the description box. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.